All right, now, next concept, permutations. Permutations is a little different. It's an arrangement of objects in a specific order. So what you're doing is you're selecting groups and you're ordering them. So you have a total number of possibilities of something, and you want to select groups and put those groups in order. You want to count up how many different orders are possible. So for example, like suppose there's 15 players on a baseball team, and you have to make up a starting lineup of 9 players. That's how many people are in a starting lineup of baseball. 9 players. And in baseball, when they go to bat, they bat in a specific order. So the first batter, second batter, third batter, so on and so forth. There's a specific order of the batters that come up. Each time it's the same order. So like if you have 15 players to choose from, how many different ways can you select 9 of them and put them in order? Okay, how many different orders are possible so like if you select those 9 people, you have to consider all the different possible orders that you could put 9 people in. There's like thousands and thousands of different orders that you could take 9 people and order them. So this is what a permutation calculates. All right. So the thing to remember with permutations is that order matters. Write the possible permutations of the letters A, B, C, and D. Okay, so how many different orders are there of the letters A, B, C? Well, there's A, B, C, and D. Well, there's A, B, C, D. There's A, B, D, C, right? There's going to be a bunch of them. A, C, B, D. A, C, D, B. Then there's A, D, B, C. A, D, C, B, right? And I think that's all of them with the letter A in the beginning. See how the letter A is first for all of them? If you count them up, there's 6 of those, right? And then you would also have 6 where the letter B started, and then 6 for the letter C starting, and then 6 for the letter D starting. So you're going to wind up with 24 different permutations, 24 different orders. You could write them all out. You could do BACD, BADC. You don't have to write these all out, but this is just to show you. BC, AD, BCDA, or BDAC, BDCA. So those are all 6 of them with the letter B starting. And then you'd have 6 more with the letter C starting, and then 6 more with the letter D starting. So instead of writing all those out, there's a shortcut. In your calculator, there should be a button that says NPR. Okay? The P stands for permutations. The N and the R are how many total. So the N is the total number of selections. Total possible selections, and the R is the number of selections that you're actually selecting. Number of actual selections. So like in the above example, N and R are both 4. So like you have 4 letters and you're ordering all 4 of them. Right? In this above example, A, B, C, and D. The example that I mentioned before, if you had 15 players and you only want 9 of them to start in your lineup, so the 15 would be N and the 9 would be R. Okay? Now, this example right here, it's telling us there's 9 spots and there's only 9 players to choose from. So essentially what this is 9 is N and 9 is also R. There's 9 total players, and you're selecting all 9 of them and putting them in order. So in your calculator, you would do 9 NPR 9. So let's do that right now. Let's look at Desmos. Let's see what we get when we calculate 9 NPR 9. So there should be, I think it's probably in, where is it? The NPR, but here we go. NPR. See that? 9. I think Desmos wants you to put a comma in. Yeah. So NPR 9, comma 9. The first 9 is the N, the second 9 is the R, and you get your answer, 362,880. So that means there's 362,880 possible batting orders on a baseball team if you take 9 players and order them in a batting lineup. All right, let's do another